Hey YouTube, look, you're not gonna believe what I bought today. Those are my house's smoke alarms. But in my room, we got something different. I wonder what we got in here. What's that box doing there? No. It's none other than the Nest Protect. I got the long life battery model. And look, there it is. Let's go ahead and give it a test. I've already tested it a couple times today. But I'll go ahead and let you look at it. Let's go ahead.
Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, count. Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test.
The buggy product.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing carbon monoxide. Finishing up. Just a moment. The test is finished.
Everything's okay.
In the bedroom.
Well, there you go. That was your test of the Nest Protect. I may do a smoke test, but unfortunately right now I don't have a lighter, so I can't do that. But I'll show you what happens when you turn off the light. It glows green once again. And it doesn't want to glow. Alright. Here's Sparky. You all know him. Say hi, Sparky. Say hello to YouTube. Here, I'll tell you what. We'll give the house's system a test, too. I'm just gotta find something to... I'm gonna just find something to set them off with. And that's those. And there's the CL alarm, which we are going to test. So, alright, and that's it.